Creality K1 SE. Current advertised deals hover around $349. Promo/discounts vary. Some deals show lower. The K1 SE is Creality's answer to the need for a faster, more polished desktop experience. Core XY architecture, hands-free auto-leveling, a flagship-level direct extruder and quick-swap tri-metal nozzle. The product pages brag about 600 mm/s max speeds and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration for high throughput. In practical terms, the K1 SE is built to be a starter plus machine for people who want faster prints without wrestling too much with hardware. The direct extruder helps with flexible filaments, and the quick-swap nozzle system makes it simple to trade detail for speed when needed. Reviews on retail pages trend positive in the 4-star band, with users praising Creality's pre-tuned profiles and the assembly experience. Day-to-day use shows the K1 SE is a solid performer. Prints come off clean when you respect recommended speed/Excel settings, and the hands-free leveling plus decent stock firmware reduces the initial setup pain for newcomers. It's a machine that rewards sensible tuning. Crank it to maximum speed and you'll need to finesse slicer and motion settings to keep ringing and layer artifacts low. Build quality is better than bare-bones hobby kits, and Creality support and big community mean upgrades and troubleshooting guides are easy to find. If you want a fast printer that stays approachable, the K1 SE is a tempting middle ground. Check current promo pricing and regional availability. And yes, we share buy links in the description box.